fever, go under the sunlight.
No.
What?
I didn't say that.
The bacteria will die, but whatever.
Your
go
body,
under the
you got fever, your body already heat up already.
Later people you go put under sunlight then you faint all that. Hey, Dr. Lin teach me one. Apa lah you?
Whenever we have fever, means our antibody fight with the virus or bacteria, we lose the battle.
Okay.
Once we lose the battle, our body want to control bacteria and virus. Don't let them spread. Don't let them go and attack our inner organ. So quickly raise the temperature. Because virus and bacteria, they cannot stand high heat. Very hot, they become inactive. They can't move. If above 40 body temperature, cancer cell die.
Oh.
Cannot. They cannot stand too high, too high fever. Too high fever good for us.
Ah.
Okay. You say if I say our body temperature 40 can kill the.
Cancer cell, cancer.
But doctor say your body temperature will not reach very high because can damage our brain.
Yeah.
都拿去自己当面巾纸。不知道嘞，这个你们才10.8。只有给信。
When this is one, our body
Temperature.
temperature should be below this one.
Yeah.
Okay? But if you always 37 lah. If you always 36 your body likely have cancer.
Oh.
Yeah. Because all bacteria virus they scared of heat. You must always go 37, 37.5, 37. Then you are healthy. You look 36, 35, 34, you're very cool. They like to stay. They attack you. Cancer coming. Or 33, very weak.
Oh.
Because our blood got temperature 98.4. See, this one. Don't see
Fahrenheit.
If you see boil away.
F that means divide by 2.
Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit.
Our body heat is this one. Hey, cold water good for us or not?
Good.
No.
Why no? Why? What is the reason good?
Because in the kampung every day we all bathe cold water
Bathe cold water different. Drink cold
Oh,
water.
drink cold water. Drink cold water then
Bathe
no
okay,
good.
good.
Drink cold water no good.
Why?
Lower the body temperature.
No, it's not lower.
Use up your energy.
Healthy people, you got still got heat, but warm. You are still alive.
Yeah.
A dead body, totally cold. See not? A cold, dead body is cold. So we need energy to survive. We need energy. Always got energy. So our temperature 37, 37.5. You drink a cold water, our body want to boil the cold water into this same your temperature, body heat. You got 37.5, they take your energy, go and boil the water. You got no energy away. Want to sleep away, very tired away. No exhausted, still want to drink cold water. So the body take away your energy. You're much more tired.
Yeah.
They want to boil the water to your temperature, body temperature.
Oh.
Up to the body temperature. Understand that?
Yes.
So take away. If no energy, will still take away. So cold water never good for you. Understand that?
Yes.
Otherwise you drink very hot one. Somebody boil lah. Your body boil. They take away your heat to boil. Understand that? So cold water no good. Okay. So we have high fever. We have blood pressure. It's because our body, 2 organs, very important one. They can cause sudden death. One is our brain, would get stroke. Our heart would get heart attack. These 2 very urgent one. Sudden death lah.
Okay.
The rest won't be sudden death lah.
Okay.
These 2 that's why brain cell 10 seconds without oxygen supply, you get stroke. Like short circuit, 10 seconds, no. Like heart cell, same thing also. 10 seconds without oxygen supply, we get heart attack. Okay, Sana?
Yeah.
10 seconds here. Just one stroke, heart attack. So our body do not allow our who supply oxygen, who supply the oxygen to brain, to heart, who supply?
Blood vessel.
Blood, blood supply. So our body do not allow blood flow slow down 10 seconds. If blood flow slow down 10 seconds, you are going to get stroke with heart attack. Okay, So once it slow down, at our adrenal gland here, you must know which part lah. I show you.
Adrenal gland.
This is a kidney. Upper part of the kidney, white color one, called adrenal gland. Okay?
Yes.
This is called adrenal gland. This adrenal gland produce hormone. He produce hormone when your blood flow slow down 10 seconds.
Oh.
The hormone will push the blood faster 10 seconds.
Oh.
Understand not?
Yes.
So that no stroke, no heart attack.
Okay.
So high blood pressure, this one cause high blood pressure. Okay? So high blood pressure good for us. It's like arranged by God. Not infection method from somebody. You got high blood pressure, you close to me, I get high blood pressure also. No something. See that?
Yeah.
Not COVID. So use because this one produce so that do not stroke and heart attack. Okay? I told you, this is like high fever. High fever means they control the bacteria virus so that they won't spread, they won't become strong. Then our antibody under the high heat, they regain energy very fast. Understand? So you high fever, don't go and see doctor immediately, want to reduce the fever. My child, 3 years ago, he got food poisoning at camp. So I go down there. I went to fetch him back. He got no power, cannot stand also. Lunch didn't take, dinner didn't take, stomach pain, no appetite, want to vomit, nausea. So they give it 2 days MC. So he called me a time, I go and pick him back. And he can't even walk. So no eating and pain, very painful. Poisoning, food poisoning. Doctor give oxygen, he never take also. So 2 days only. So I asked him to take. He said, no appetite, I want to vomit, one. Okay, you don't want to take anything, but Papa, must ask you to take this Lingzhi. YK1 He don't want powder one. Take 10. He don't want to take 8 only. Okay lah, only this one solo. Take 8 lah. You take this one, I'm very happy with.
Yeah.
Because others don't take, never mind. What's you take? You got high fever, 39.8. That means confirm sick lah.
Yeah.
Then I check, is it COVID? No. Is it dengue? No. No mark, nothing I check, but high fever. Can you run away 39.8. So that they gave MC 2 days, the from a camp doctor come back, so very weak. Last night never take. Today morning don't take. Force him take. The night come back 39.8. Force him take YK1. 1 hour later only, he shot at me, Papa, I sweat like hell. Heat high heat. Then good lah.
It's a cold sweat.
Cold sweat. No, cold sweat. The warm one. Cold sweat not good. Whenever you got cold sweat, means heart got problem already. Heart weak when you got cold sweat. Shouldn't have cold sweat. Cold sweat no energy. The warm one, hot one then good. hot one come up, heat come up, Now 1 hour plus, take 10 only, Then you say, wow, very good, going down. I say after I give him towel, after that he check, not even 1.5 hour, they go down to 37 point something. No one medicine can like that. No one, because she's strong, still young. Then regeneration fast, so regain antibody very fast. Bacteria, virus, boom, gone. Whenever got fever, means sure got this one bacteria. Sure got one. Doctor give her antibiotic, kill the bacteria because they got cell wall. Remember that?
Yeah.
Huh? Don't want to take. My son don't take. Never Lingzhi review antibody very fast. Not even 1 hour. Right? Then okay, drop to 37.3. I'm very happy with. Okay, don't eat also nearby. Don't care away. Second day, he doesn't eat away. Never eat her. Take Lingzhi again. He take enough time. Then lunch somewhere hungry away. Eat away. Still MC.
Oh.
Today and tomorrow. Yesterday I brought him to private here give another 2 days. Today MC, tomorrow go back and book. He called the sergeant his senior Senior said, you take another MC 2 more days because you pushing cannot come back. You push up all water. Very big better. So proven YK1. Only things
So fever YK1. 10 tablet.
Whatever problem YK1. Review antibody.
Yeah.
You know, feel very cold, very hot, whatever then you mean she don't do the work. See that? If cannot not working, half an hour. Then I go and buy coconut water and drink. Take Dr. Berry.
Coconut water also good.
Yeah, cleansing. No pollution. Then take Dr. Berry. Take Dr. Berry you will take.
Your coconut water, you buy the fresh one or the bottle one?
Make sure it's the original one. Natural one. Don't add anything. The original one, coconut water, not so sweet one, a bit sour. You drink okay? Okay. So today okay maybe tomorrow sending back to camp or what. So this one they produce the hormone. The hormone push the blood circulate faster 10 seconds. So that no stroke, no heart attack. So high blood pressure proven good for us. Okay, Why blood flow slow down to 10 seconds? Why? You must know what make them slow down 10 seconds. Yeah. What for Lingzhi? Lingzhi good because of trisaponite. Without trisaponite, also no point. Trisaponite, what for? Trisaponite clear fat and cholesterol. Clear. It's not clear. Trisaponite clear blood vessels. Now I am to learn this one. Then the one clear. If not clear, they cannot open Should not? Blood flow want to go through also cannot open. I need more oxygen. They cannot go through because here so hard. Cannot go through So once it clear, you improve elasticity of blood vessel. Elasticity means they can open. Can open 弹性 Understand So elasticity. Should not? Narrow like that, lost elasticity. Clear, can open, so improve elasticity. Understand? When it so narrow, the blood pressure boom high. Anything you make it, you press on it, it go high. Should not? So elasticity is one of cause of high blood pressure. Because blood pressure narrow. Should not? Oh, doctor says you got high blood pressure. What doctor do? You got high blood pressure. I will make sure it go down. Why? Take medicine, enlarge the blood pressure. Take it, then enlarge it. Oh, I don't have high blood pressure. When the medicine no more effective, boom, they come back. High again. Take again, okay. Under control If don't take, stroke Understand Doctor never cure you. And the medicine got side effect. See that?
Yeah.
Take Lingzhi, they clear fat and cholesterol. they clear the roots to improve elasticity. Okay? So what causes blood flow down 10 seconds is because poor elasticity of blood vessel. See not? Because narrowness. Understand not? So can you need to settle this one?
Yes.
Can. They can settle this one. Okay? They clear this one, blood flow become faster. So better elasticity. Another one is your blood too thick. Blood very thick. Thick, heavy mah. Heavy, slow down 10 seconds. See not? So another one is the thick blood cause high blood pressure. When thick means what? The red blood cell they get together. They block artery then stroke thick blood will get stroke. Then the doctor give you blood thinner. See not? No good lah. So take Lingzhi got 4 steps. Remember, first they purify the blood. Means rubbish inside the blood they filter, purify. Not the thinner, make thin. No. They filter toxic out, become cleaner. See not? When they filter out the toxic, more oxygen enter. Anybody take Lingzhi, this is the first reaction they have. After taking Lingzhi, I'm more alert, I'm more strength, I can walk faster. Why? More oxygen supply, more air go inside. Inside not? That's why they say, I can walk faster, I can do better. After taking, I won't be fainting. Like ladies See not? Because the clear the blood vessel.
You need to take a photo then send it back to me.
Understand not?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So these two make high blood pressure. One is thick blood. The blood very thick, called viscosity. Remember the word
Yeah,
viscosity. Vivosity. Viscosity. You remember? So what causes high blood pressure? Because blood slow down 10 seconds. There's two reasons. One is viscosity of blood, another one is elasticity of blood. These two cities called high blood pressure. Lingzhi can settle. Okay, how Lingzhi settle high blood pressure? Okay, they work on blood vessel. See not? So how long should I take? I take 2 to 4. Okay, they clear this one. 2 times Lingzhi in Poland.
Yeah.
You strength
Yes.
Clear this one. Take 2 to 4. Take how long? They work on blood vessel. Then you explain to people, we have 3 types of blood vessels in your body. Okay? Artery, vein, and capillaries. These 3 types of blood vessels joined together can go down the world 2.5 times. You know? Can go down 2.5 times. So 2.5 times. Lingzhi want to clear inch by inch. Lingzhi need 4 months to go through to such a long journey. Hello. Okay? So Lingzhi need 4 months to clear the blood vessel. So you have high blood pressure, you want to become normal, it must take 4 months and clear for you. Stable. Some will be faster, some will be longer time. But average is 4 months. Okay? So 4 months later, you go and check doctor is surprised. Doctor will reduce the medicine. So you since your blood vessel is so good, so this one reduce. Okay? Understand?
Yeah.
So you know how to explain that?
Yes.
But based on this one, you must know how to explain this one. If you don't know how to explain this page, you do not know explain the function of Lingzhi.